Hi, my name's Natalie, and I am from the United States, and I just completed my 200-hour yoga teacher training here at Vinyasa Yogashala. I have scoliosis in my back and always knew I needed to do more stretching and stay active, and I started doing yoga a few years ago, but have kind of been doing it on and off and never really took it seriously or knew the philosophies and ideas behind it. So I wanted to come here and deepen my practice and learn more about the history of yoga. I chose Vinyasa Yogashala because I read amazing reviews and saw the beautiful pictures, and it definitely exceeded my expectations. I learned so much about the history of yoga and learned more of the proper positions in yoga, how to adjust and align people, and I feel definitely more calm and grounded in my meditations, and I'm ready to continue this practice. This has definitely helped me see yoga from different dimensions. I thought I had a good idea of what yoga was and what it meant to be a yogi, but it's so much more than I knew, so I'm excited to keep learning.